Imagine you want to build the best paper airplane ever. One that flies farther and straighter than any other. You start with a classic design, but it only goes 10 feet. Not bad, but you want more. You tweak the folds, adjust the wings, and try again. Sometimes it flies worse, but every failure teaches you something new. Now imagine you and a friend both experiment, sharing results. Your friend's plane flies 12 feet, so you build on their design. This back and forth, learning from each other's successes and failures accelerates your progress. Now scale that up. Imagine 1 million people all folding, testing, and instantly sharing what works. If someone discovers a tiny tweak that adds 3 feet to the flight, everyone knows immediately. The group rapidly explores a universe of designs far beyond what any one person could do. This is similar to what Google DeepMind's new AI, AlphaEvolve, does, but instead of paper, it's building computer algorithms, the instructions that power our digital world. AlphaEvolve is like 1 million airplane folders, but inside a computer. It's an AI designed to discover and build better AI systems. It relentlessly tries new things, learns from results, and shares its findings. This cycle of constant improvement pushes the boundaries of what's possible. It's not just about trial and error, it's about rapid, collective innovation. AlphaEvolve is changing how we create technology, making progress at a speed no human team could match. It's a new era of discovery where AI helps us leap forward. The best paper airplane, now it's the best algorithm, and the race to improve never stops. So, what is AlphaEvolve? At its core, it's an AI that improves other computer programs, especially the ones that run our digital world. Think of algorithms as recipes, step-by-step instructions for computers. For decades, human experts have crafted these recipes, but there are limits to how many ideas we can test. AlphaEvolve changes the game by using AI to experiment and evolve code. It starts with a working algorithm, then creates millions of tiny variations. Most changes don't help, but some make the code faster or more efficient. AlphaEvolve spots these small wins and uses them as the new starting point. The process repeats: mutate, test, select, and improve. Over time, these tiny gains add up to massive breakthroughs. It's evolution, but at the speed of a supercomputer. AlphaEvolve isn't just copying human ideas, it's discovering new ones. It pushes past the limits of human creativity, finding solutions we'd never imagine. This relentless cycle of improvement is how AlphaEvolve evolves better code. It's not just an AI tool, it's an engine for innovation. The result? Algorithms that are faster, smarter, and more efficient than ever before. AlphaEvolve is redefining what's possible in computer science. For AlphaEvolve to work, it needs a powerful brain. Enter Gemini, Google's advanced AI. Gemini isn't just a chatbot, it's a large language model with deep logic and reasoning skills. Think of Gemini as the master architect guiding AlphaEvolve. When AlphaEvolve needs a new algorithm variation, Gemini suggests intelligent changes, not random tweaks. It reads and understands code like a human programmer, pinpointing where improvements can be made. Gemini also evaluates the results, understanding why a change worked. This insight guides AlphaEvolve's next steps, making the process smarter with each cycle. Together, AlphaEvolve and Gemini form a powerful partnership. One drives relentless experimentation, the other provides creative direction. Without Gemini, AlphaEvolve would be lost. With it, they're a guided missile for innovation. This collaboration is what makes AlphaEvolve so effective at pushing technology forward. AlphaEvolve's process is inspired by evolution, survival of the fittest, but for code. It starts with a strong human-written algorithm and creates thousands of new versions, each with a small change. Gemini suggests smart modifications, not just random mutations. Every new algorithm is tested for speed, efficiency, and accuracy. The best performers move on, the rest are discarded. The winners become parents for the next generation, combining their best traits. New mutations keep the process fresh and innovative. This cycle repeats, with each generation getting better. It's a relentless, automated process where AI teaches itself to be smarter and more efficient. The result? Algorithms that improve rapidly, far beyond what humans could achieve alone. AlphaEvolve isn't just optimizing code, it's creating a new way for AI to learn and innovate. This is evolution, turbocharged by artificial intelligence. The future of smarter AI starts here. To see AlphaEvolve's power, look at a problem that's stumped mathematicians for decades: multiplication. Computers rely on fast multiplication for everything from weather forecasts to special effects. For 50 years, the Schönhegestrassen algorithm was the gold standard. In 2019, a faster but impractical method appeared, but the search for a practical breakthrough continued. Google DeepMind gave AlphaEvolve the challenge: no hints, just the rules. AlphaEvolve started from scratch, mutating and testing millions of possibilities. It discovered a new, faster multiplication algorithm, one no human had ever found. This wasn't just a small improvement, it was a fundamental leap in math and computer science. AlphaEvolve proved AI can generate new knowledge, not just learn from humans. It's a breakthrough that changes what we thought was possible. AlphaEvolve's impact goes far beyond math problems. Google uses it to tackle real-world challenges, like making systems faster and more efficient. One early target sorting data, a task every app and website relies on. AlphaEvolve evolved a new sorting algorithm, up to 70% faster for short lists, and 1.7% faster for huge ones. That small gain, multiplied billions of times, saves massive time and energy worldwide. The new algorithm is now in a public programming library, benefiting developers everywhere. AlphaEvolve can optimize any fundamental code used repeatedly. Improving these building blocks creates a ripple effect. Every program built on them gets better. It's like upgrading the flour in every recipe, everything improves. AlphaEvolve is quietly upgrading the digital world's foundation. AlphaEvolve isn't just about code, it's transforming hardware and energy use too. In chip design, it solved the complex puzzle of arranging billions of components, creating layouts better and faster than human teams. In data centers, AlphaEvolve helps optimize cooling, slashing energy use and costs. Google's earlier AI cut cooling energy by 40%. AlphaEvolve is pushing those savings even further. These improvements mean more powerful devices and a smaller carbon footprint. AlphaEvolve's discoveries make technology faster, greener, and more sustainable. It's not just about speed, it's about building a smarter, cleaner digital future. Every advance ripples out, benefiting the economy and the planet. AlphaEvolve is helping us rethink what's possible for technology and the environment. The future is faster and greener thanks to AI. With AlphaEvolve, we're witnessing a shift. AI is now designing better AI. For decades, humans wrote the code. Now, AI can take on the role of creator. This creates a feedback loop. AI improves itself, accelerating innovation. Gemini helps build AlphaEvolve, which then discovers new algorithms to make Gemini even better. Each cycle pushes AI's capabilities further, compounding progress. We're not just solving old problems faster, we're discovering solutions humans never imagined. The new multiplication algorithm is proof AI can find breakthroughs hidden for decades. There may be countless more waiting in science, medicine, and engineering. Humans still set the goals and guide the process, but our role is evolving. We're becoming conductors, orchestrating intelligent systems to solve the world's toughest challenges. This is the dawn of a new era, human-AI collaboration at its most powerful. The future belongs to those who can ask the right questions and guide these tools to the answers. Most people think of AI as chatbots or image generators, but AlphaEvolve is something deeper. It's not just remixing human knowledge, it's creating new knowledge from scratch. AlphaEvolve starts with a problem and invents solutions that never existed before. It's not repeating, it's inventing. This is a step toward artificial general intelligence, AI that can revolutionize any field. Imagine AlphaEvolve discovering new drugs, materials, or climate models. The possibilities are limited only by the problems we give it. Next time you hear about AI, think beyond chatbots. Think about the silent revolution, AI discovering answers to questions we never thought to ask. AlphaEvolve marks the start of a new chapter in human history. We're building tools that don't just help us, they expand our ability to understand the world. The future of discovery is here, and it's powered by AI. We're only at the beginning of what's possible.